Hey everybody, so this is a quick video. If you have a Minka-Air ceiling fan and the remote that you use to control it is not working, and I'm going to take you through a troubleshooting process to get that remote working again. So there's a few steps to it. So the first thing we're going to do to get the remote working again is we're going to turn off all the switches in the house for the fan. Then we're going to go to the circuit breaker box and we're going to turn off the breaker to the fan that you're trying to program. And then you need to make sure that you have the unique code set to your remote. The next thing you're going to do is turn the power back on. Then you can flip the light switch on. And then what you want to do is press and hold the stop button for 3 seconds. And then that should reset it and get it working again. You can also try pressing the stop button again for another 3 seconds. But by doing that 3-second hold after you've reset everything, that should get the remote working again. So, hope this video helped. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day.